Okay, here I have a really nice computer. It's the Acorn Atom. I'm going to tell you a bit about this computer. Really nice machine. I do really like the Acorn Atom. It was obviously the predecessor to the Proton, which is better known as the BBC Model A. Most people know the BBC Model B, but this was the computer that came before it. It's actually the Acorn Atom. Now I'll just boot it up to show you it come on with the Acorn Atom. This particular Atom has its original mains power supply, which runs at 8 volts. It can handle up to 1.8 amps DC. So obviously the regulator circuits do get quite hot in the back there on the heatsink, but that's quite normal for this one, unless obviously you do a 5 volt conversion. I'll just show you it booting up now. Okay, on boot up you do get a garbled screen, which is normal. What I'm going to do now is hit the brake key, which will reset it, and then you'll see it come on. So just hit the brake key now. There you got Acorn Atom and your standard cursor there, ready for programming. So I'll just type something quickly. So you can see that that's actually working. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this computer. So here we go. Trying to tell you now what year it was made. Probably about 1980. End of production was probably about 1983. Its built-in language, of course, is standard basic, also machine code. CPU 6502, speed 1 MHz, coprocessor 6847 for your video display generator, PIA 8255 for your keyboard and tape. Standard RAM is 2 kilobytes. But this particular one's been expanded to 12k RAM. Your virtual RAM is 6 kilobytes and your ROM is 8 kilobytes. Can be extended, I think, up to 16 kilobytes. Text modes 32 times 24, 16 times 12. Graphics modes 64 by 64. 4 color. 128 by 96 monochrome. What else? Sound. Just a built-in speaker, which is like a beeper. When it throws an error, normally you'll get a bit of a beep from that, but not a lot else, to be perfectly honest with you with that. It's got I/O ports, obviously, for your tape interface, your standard UHF modulator for your TV output, plus it's also got the Acorn bus extension. Kit built was about, I think, about £120, fully built around £170. So I think that pretty much concludes the look at the Acorn Atom for you. And what I'll do now is just show you the ports on the back of the computer. There are, you got Acorn bus extension. No socket on there, unfortunately, they didn't fit that. Acorn computers, Cambridge, England. Video, DC in, tape, I/O, UHF, OP. Okay, another thing that I do have for this Acorn Atom is a very rare Acorn Atom colour card. You'll probably just about see that. That actually doesn't work, so that will be included in the sale. Maybe somebody can get that working. And that concludes the look at the Acorn Atom computer.